Hello, I'm Bilal from New Alpha Infotech Private Limited. Now going to demonstrate to you about interactive panel. This interactive panel is meant for the taking displays, and also it works as your HID. HID means human interface device. You can use this electromagnetic pen as an interface with this panel. It is like a pen touch monitor. You can operate anything or do anything what you do on the computer with this pen only. Like you want to play games, you can play games, you can open or close any file from here only. So this is meant for the thing like what teachers want to do by sitting on their desks for this purpose. For teacher purpose, we have this software where I can write or do n number of things on this panel. I can draw, I take measurements. If I want to take a measurement of this image, I can just select it out and take a measurement. So this kind of thing I can do with this panel. I can take n number of pages, I can save my work, what I have done. So this panel gives me the capability to write on the interactive board with the pen on my panel only. So it is meant for the teachers who can't stand for a long time, or the presenter who are in the board meeting where the chairman can't stand for the meeting also. So we can use this pad. Same like panel, we have an interactive pad, Alpha interactive pad. Whatever I can do on this panel, I can do on this pad, but this pad doesn't have any screen on this. Like if I want to write anything, I just have to take my pen, write. So I can write, I can control my all PC application, all the background application with this pad. This is like a mouse pad we use on the computer laptop. This is same like that, but we can roam around with this pad around 50 meters diameter in the classrooms. I can open any file, I can give presentation like this. I can open presentation with this pad like this. So this is meant for the teachers who love to teach in the classroom by roaming around in the classroom, and we can use this also, like we can distribute to the students, and student can answer teacher's question by this pad only. So it have a multi-purpose option with this pad.